No more Milton.
Hello from Halloween Horror Nights week. I have no idea.
You lost track?
Yeah.
You're supposed to keep track.
I forgot.
Oh, okay.
If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yeah, we want to thank you all so much for keeping up with our journey through HHN.
Lack of, because we've just been enjoying it too much where we haven't really been recording, so we apologize for that. But if you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yeah, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and check us out every Wednesday and Sunday for new videos.
Oh yes, if you like this video, please don't forget to comment and don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
Yes, Amber, it's about to be dark. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, let's go.
You have a hand behind you. Dude, seriously, you have a hand behind you. Who's holding your head behind? You have like a hand behind your head. Oh, I'm like, what the yeah. I'm like, there's no one behind you, but I keep seeing the hand. Every time we turn around and look, I'm like, what is behind you? I'm not even like making this up. I seriously thought there was a hand behind you.
What are you talking about?
Oh my God. So this is the first day of opening after HHN, or after Hurricane Milton. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I know we just said hi, but it's really cool to actually officially announce that after Wednesday and Thursday we're shut down because of some tiny little storm that was like a hurricane.
Trying to kill us?
Was it really though? I mean, so what? It was a category 5 for like a day.
That you were so scared because the windows are shaking.
Oh my God. So the eye came back around and we started getting the other side of the winds, and the windows were like, it was crazy. And I like woke up, Amber's like, the other side of the ice hitting. She's like, okay, and she went back to sleep.
So we didn't have power flow. Our cell service still is sketchy.
Yep, but
I don't know.
no, yeah. So we still don't have power. Oh, we don't. But power came on today, this morning, around like 3 or 4 o'clock, and then we still have no cell service at our house. Supposedly it's going to be on in roughly about 4 hours. We don't know, but the life we live in Florida. We're going to head into the swamp area. Swamp thing. No? I don't know. Oh, you want to see something cool? So it's from Tilbahala.
It's upside down.
It is. It's from Breast Cancer Awareness from Tilbahala Project. It's really cool.
You'll link them down below.
Well, we'll link it down below. So I had 2 aunts who had breast cancer. One unfortunately did pass away, and the other one is in remission. So we are this year. I was like, you know what? I think I'm going to represent this year. I am working with Tilbahala to see about becoming ambassadors for them. Amber doesn't know about, but she does now. And they do a lot of stuff for PTSD and stuff like that too. So I think that's going to be really cool if we can get part of it. We didn't get them last time. He also gets vacation after Milton.
Yes. Hello again from HHN.
I love throwing her off.
If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome again.
Yes, thank you all so much for checking us out.
Yeah, don't forget to like this video and give it a huge thumbs up. And if we see you tonight or any other night, hello again. We are still handing out bracelets. We're either trading or just giving them away. So if you see us, please say hi. We may look tired, but we're really not. We love to say hi to all of our fan band members.
Yeah, for sure. So I think right now we're probably going to hit up the tribute store. You know, remember that time in HHN when I put my ears on?
Like a few weeks ago?
Yeah.
I know, that was
It's been fun. So this has been a very quick HHN.
It's gone by fast.
But we're on our way over to the tribute store. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
This has been a really popular shirt. It glows in the dark. A lot of people have been liking it. We're already like over halfway through the season, and look, it's already 30% off. Some items are even higher, we've seen.
It's some items, not all.
Not all of them. But it's crazy. I think they expected Lil Boo to go a little bit more popular. I mean, it is popular. A lot of people bought a lot of stuff, but it's not selling as fast as I think they expected. But they still have some of the same stuff. What they did say is they are selling almost everything in the store at 30% off, except for like collectibles, Chucky items, and posters. Oh, they have earrings. That took a minute to get out. I hate when it's busy.
Saturday.
I know. I'm actually, in this case, I'm kind of glad because we were cooped up for about, what, 2.5 days? For most of us. So, but
it's nice that people watch and just kind of relax instead of like being on the go all the time, because we were always with friends. Now it's just us two. So.
Yeah. We're right here by Triplets and the best house this year, Insidious.
Yeah.
And Rip Ride Rocket, so every once in a while you hear, ah! It's not the house. Tribute store, I think this year's kind of a miss, honestly, I think.
There's already a lot of things that are gone.
Yeah.
So if you go into the tribute store, there's not as much merch. So we don't know if they're saving it for the garage sale or they just sold it.
Yeah. A lot of the sizes are already gone. The shirt I think we can get you wanted is already down to large and extra large and extra large.
Yeah.
So you're kind of, you know.
Oh well, I waited too long.
Yeah. So, that just shows, like, if you see something, you gotta buy it, unfortunately, you know? But, yeah, we're just waiting for our return time for a house, Ghostbusters. We just want to check in, let you know it's busy. It's Saturday.
It's also homecoming.
It is, yeah.
The night will be filled with explosions and flashing lights. The music is loud, and this show can oftentimes be a bit sexy. If this seems offensive, you should leave immediately. But if these dark visions entice you, then welcome to a new nightmare.
So it's been a busy 2 days after Milton, which is good because one, Universal needed it financially, and then one, we needed it to get a break from being stuck in the house for 2 days.
with no power and
Nope.
no cell
Yeah.
service. So we had to drive around to get cell service.
Yeah, that's a different story, a different video. So the show is a little bit different. So Luke is now doing the fireball. And then Ren is doing the spinning rod that does the firework, kind of like a Chinese firework ball thing. I don't know what it's called. But guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to give us a good thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, as Amber loves to say. And we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.